Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to schedule a meeting in your Zoom account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Zoom app. Here we go. At the top, you can see different options such as New Meeting, Join, Schedule, Share Screen. You have to tap on Schedule. Now you have to fill up all this information to schedule meeting. At the top, you have to set up the topic. Here I am writing business meeting. Now you have to set up the date. I'm putting it on 26 March 2:15 p.m. Now you have to set up the meeting's duration. That can be 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. I am going to set it on 15 minutes. Now we have to select the time zone. Here I will be selecting Dhaka. Now we have to select calendar. Here I will be selecting iCalendar and tapping on done. Now you have to turn on the use personal meeting ID. So all the options above it will be also turned on. Now after you have filled up all this information, you have to tap on save on the top right corner. You can recheck your meeting schedule. If it is all correct, you have to tap on add on the top right corner. In this way, you can easily schedule a meeting for your Zoom account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.